to Technomania 2.2, where coding runs overnight, AI comes alive, and esports turns into arenas. And students, they don't wait for ideas, they build them.
Hours.
Zero sleep.
Unlimited ideas.
One battlefield.
Interacting with such a talented and energetic crowd, new to see such kind of projects. I have learned so many new things from this energetic crowd, and it's been always a pleasure to visiting the Chandigarh University. It's a great experience here. Thank you so much for inviting me out.
Technomania 2.0 at Chandigarh University is not just about competition. It's about collaboration, creativity, and a campus that builds the future together.